Want to program your 2003-2007 Hummer H2 key fob yourself? It's doable. This video covers the essentials. First, understand that Hummer H2 fobs use rolling code technology for security, meaning each code is unique and changes. You'll need to sync the fob with your H2's body control module, BCM, via the OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard. While older methods needed expensive dealer tools, newer, cheaper alternatives exist like Bluetooth OBD2 adapters and smartphone apps. Keep in mind that most models require at least one working key fob to start the programming process. If you don't have a working fob, you might need a professional. Remember, success rates are high for experienced users, but errors can potentially lock your system, requiring dealer intervention. The general process for programming your Hummer H2 key fob begins with entering programming mode. Achieve this by cycling the ignition keys in a specific sequence. Consult your H2's manual or online resources for the exact procedure. Press the buttons on your new key fob to sync it with the body control module or BCM. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your doors to confirm it works. Key considerations include common pitfalls, like using aftermarket fobs that may not be compatible with the H2 system. Always use OEM GM-compatible fobs. Ensure your vehicle's battery is in good condition, as weakness can lead to programming failures. While many succeed with DIY, improper programming carries risks. If unsure, seek professional services.